spray paint, a crafty girl's dream. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you 3 simple makeovers on things that I shopped for my own home and giving it a new lease of life with some spray paint. If you'd like to see how I did that, keep on watching.
Some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah, 'cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chellesglamhome. Well, today, guys, I thought I'd share with you 3 simple DIY projects where I take them and give them a complete makeover with my favourite product of all, spray paint. I hope you enjoy. Guys, if you've been following me for a while now, you know that I picked up these amazing metal angel wings from the store Early Settler here in Australia. I love that they were gold, guys, but I always imagined them to be a beautiful white. So there is nothing more simple than taking something and giving it a complete makeover with just a can of spray paint. So what I'm going to do is take it outside and give it 2 coats of Gloss Vivid White by Dulux. And take a look at them now, guys. I absolutely love how they came. I love how they go so perfectly now on my latte coloured walls. My wall colour is actually called Puppy by Dulux, and it's a very soft latte colour. And I love putting white decor on my walls because it really stands out. And this is what I achieved with my angel wings. Is there an item in your home that you've purchased, but it just doesn't sit right with you in its colour? This is exactly how I felt with these angel wings. No matter how I styled them as they were gold, I just wasn't feeling it, guys. But I knew that if I took a can of spray paint, I could transform them and change them to the look that I desired. And as soon as I did it, I knew I did the right thing. I encourage you all to shop your own home. There may be that item that you're looking at right now that you just aren't feeling it, but with a can of spray paint, it could completely change your life.
Not long ago,
you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face.
Now we're going to move on to my second DIY, guys. I absolutely love chandeliers. I think they're the most glamorous thing that you can have in your home. I recently shopped our recycle centre and got this old light fitting for just $2, and I knew that I wanted to make a garden chandelier. So I first of all hung it off my clothesline and gave it 2 coats of gloss vivid white as well. Once it was completely dry, off camera, I cut the chain to the length that I desired, as well as taking away the wire. Now I had some of these white dollar store beads in my craft stash, and I knew they'd make perfect lines around the chandelier to give that chandelier look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut 3 pieces and hot glue them from the top to the arms of the chandelier. Now I also had some of these clear crystals that I had left over from our chandelier that we recently put up in our house. So what I'm going to do with these is there's little hooks underneath each arm, and I'm just simply hanging them off that. Now here you can see that I'm measuring the beads from the top to the bottom, and what I did off camera is just cut them in half and started to hot glue them around each arm. Now I had a leftover crystal bead, and what I did here, guys, is I hot glued it to the top to cover where the wire originally sat. Inspired by something I seen on Pinterest, I decided to use some solar lights that I picked up from my local dollar store. Now what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm removing the bottom, but then I'm going to take off the top, and underneath the top I'm going to switch it on. Then I'm going to just place the light into the fitting. Now I decided to add my pretty chandelier outside underneath the eaves of my home. I absolutely love driving up and looking at the front of my home, guys, and my pretty chandelier is hanging there. I also love that on the first night I run outside in the dark to check on whether my little solar lights were working, and they were, guys, and it made my heart so happy. Just by taking something from the recycle centre and a can of spray paint. I'm now going to move on to my third and final DIY. I picked up these adorable little scales, guys, from my local recycle centre. Now, I've had these in my garage for a few months and always wanted to make them over. So today was the day. I absolutely love these little scales, but with a little bit of farmhouse in my home, I wanted to add the farmhouse look to them. So I just took some black spray paint this time, guys, and the makeover in itself made my heart so happy because I couldn't believe the difference just by painting them black. Now I wanted to hang something inside the scales, so I had these two little pots. They're just plastic pots that I decided to spray paint white. Now, sticking with the farmhouse theme, I wanted to have a go, guys, at giving the little pots a look like Ray Dunn. So I'm not the greatest person when it comes to handwriting, but I did my best and I wrote the words "so blessed." I then added some dollar store flowers inside them, as well as adding a black and white bow to the top.
Not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the...
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating with spray paint. Leave me a comment down below which one was your favourite DIY.
And I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong.
Don't forget, guys, to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps this channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button to become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.